If making Loom videos and long training docs worked, people wouldn't still ask you how to do the same thing you just spent 3 hours documenting. And usually it's not because people are trying to ignore your process. It's because the video is too long, the doc is too much effort to dig through, or the steps are hard to follow when they're actually trying to do the task. So the problem isn't just creating documentation faster, it's creating something people can actually use in the moment. In this video, I'll show you Tango, an AI tool that turns any business process into a step-by-step guide in minutes and then walk someone through that process when they actually need to do it. Real quick, let me show you the experience the people you're making these tutorials and documentation for is going to get. So they'll actually be able to hit guide me on this page, and they are going to be able to literally get step-by-step clickable instructions. So this is a lead generation tool that I use, so you can export leads. And so for any site, it's going to be able to make these tutorials that walk people through step by step what to do. And you can see how that's so much different than giving someone a Loom video or this long document. And you can literally make a tutorial like this in a few minutes. Let me show you. So the tool we'll be using to create these interactive guides is called Tango, and you can click the link below and you'll be taken to the Tango site here, and then you just need to hit get started for free. And that's going to ask you to install the free extension right here. So make sure you're in Chrome, and you can add it to Chrome in a few clicks. And next, you can just create your account. You can do it with your email, or you can log in with Google, and then you'll answer a few survey questions and it'll be set up for you in under a minute. So Tango is a free plan, and the example I just showed you with the lead generation site I made using the free plan. So you don't need anything else if you just want to try it out, and you can actually make 5 of these shared workflows or guides with the free plan. But I'm actually going to be showing you the pro plan in this video because I really like the voice transcription feature, which makes this even faster. So it's optional, you don't need it, but it does make things even faster, and I'll show you why. And you also get access to the desktop app, which I'll talk about a little later in the video. So either way, start with whichever plan works for you. So once you create your Tango account, you'll have to sign in to the extension you see here. It'll say sign in, and you just log in with the account you just made. And you can also sign in to the dashboard here on the browser. Now, the way it works is super simple. And to give you an example, I'm going to capture my CRM here, and I'm going to show you how you can, say, document a process in your CRM, which is something that you might do. And so here I want to show, say, one of my sales associates how to add a new lead to the CRM when we get an inbound lead. So all you have to do is hit start capture, and I'm going to use the voice dictation feature here, the voice transcription, because what that lets me do then is add additional instructions as I'm showing it. And Tango's going to capture what's on my screen and what I'm clicking and what I'm saying to make the tutorial much clearer, and so that I don't have to do as much editing or adding notes afterwards. So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So we're going to be adding a new lead to the CRM. So what you need to do is just find an email from a new lead and then click on it. Next, we're going to hit the plus button to add it to a pipeline, and then you can choose just this thread or all the emails. Let's just say just this thread. Then we're going to go to the sponsored box here, since this is a sponsored deal, and then you can just name it the name of the company reaching out, and you can assign it to yourself or anyone else on the team. And then you can add the contacts and the company. And then you can fill in your source here where this came from, and this was an inbound email. And I'm just gonna stop there, and you would just keep going, but I just wanna give you an example of how this works. And so you saw how I was explaining what I'm doing and I was clicking it. And just like that, Tango has made the tutorial for us. So the first thing we can do is we can hit the AI button to have it come up with a title. So add a contact in Gmail. I don't know what local ATM is, right? To Streak, you could say that, right? And then you could add a description. So you always have to just tweak it a little bit, right? You can see it's transcribed a few things for here. So you can say, I would change this to click on new leads email. Right, so you just make some edits as you go, but you can see that it's actually done all the screenshots for me. And you can see, click on a button, click on mail, click the plus button right there. You can see, And so it was reading this as local ATM, but say assign the right pipeline and so on. So you would go in here and just make some edits here. It usually does a pretty good job depending on how complex things are. And then you see here Tango Smart, it knows that this is a variable, right? So the name will always be different. So it detected that, right? And so it's not always going to be X tiles, obviously. And then select an option. It knows that the option will always be different. So it's not just telling them to select the exact options I chose. And then you can see all the notes that I transcribed as I was speaking. And so that's why I was saying I like the voice dictation, because everything else will work just fine, but you won't have this extra layer where you're explaining what you're doing as you're doing it. And you could obviously just come in here and add this yourself manually after, but it just takes one less step for you when you're just voice dictating it, right? And so you can see all the steps, and I won't go through it, and you can of course just take a few minutes and clean up or correct anything, but you can see that it took all the screenshots, all the zooms, everything for us, and we can actually preview the entire guide. Just hit preview, and then we can see how it makes it. Say guide me on this page, and so it tells me to pick a lead as an example, right? And then it says, hey, go and click this. And so you can see it's just walking me through it. And then when you're happy with your guide, just go to share and export and go to continue. And there are a few different options to share. So first you can add people from your team or emails for people right here and send them a share link, and you can control their permissions. Pretty similar to Google Drive if you've used that, of course. So you can control those permissions here, or you can just copy a link. And when people go to that link, they'll instantly be taken to the tutorial. And if they have the Tango extension, they can use the Guide Me feature for them to be able to be walked through it step by step. But if they don't, they can still follow along just like this by looking at the steps. But the extension is free, so there's really no reason not to ask your people to install it. Now, the next option is you can actually embed this as a video. So if you didn't want to have the step-by-step guide, or you didn't want the documentation version where it's like just step by step and it shows you the screenshots, it actually makes a video out of it and narrates it for you.
Click on a new leads email. Open the new leads email thread so you can add it to the CRM pipeline. A. Click on button.
So you get the idea. And so you could do this version, and you can actually embed that if you want to embed that in your knowledge base or somewhere else. So that's really handy if you want to do that experience instead. Now, another option is the interactive option here, and it's similar to the video in that you embed it, except it's something that they can click through and follow along. So this is a similar experience to sort of the walkthrough, but here, if they don't want to install the application here and the extension, then they can basically just do one step, go do it on their browser, and then come back and click on the next step. So it's just walking them through the steps one by one, and it's pausing on each step for them. So that's another experience you can give them if you don't want to do the video. And lastly, you can export it as an HTML file, or you can make a PDF out of it if you really wanted to. But probably the way that's going to be the most useful for your people to discover the tangos you make is when they have the browser extension. If they go to any site where you've made tangos, then those tutorials show up for them. So if you've made, say, a number of tutorials for, say, this lead generation platform, then all of them show up here, and that they can then just launch the one they want as they're on the site. So if there are tools your team uses all the time, then they're not looking for links or digging around when they want to learn how to do something. They're going to be in the platform, and they're going to see all the tutorials, and they're going to be able to take action and do the things they need to do in context as they're working through things. And I think that's actually one of the more important features here, because it helps people find the things they need when they need to do the work. And then it shows them step by step how to do it. And if you were wondering if you can capture desktop apps, so anything that's not in the browser, yes, you can, because on the paid plan, Tango does have a desktop app. So just go here and you can go to get a desktop app, and you can do that for both Mac and Windows. And you just hit start capture, and it works the exact same way. As an example, here is a tutorial I made for my note-taking app Granola here. And so you can see it works the exact same way. So this is really handy if you have some very specific applications or advanced tools you use on your computer that you want to train people on. So that's how you make guides that are actually useful, not just another document or Loom video someone has to go find later then try to follow while they're doing the task. With Tango, you can capture the process once, turn it into a step-by-step guide, and make it easy for someone to follow those steps at the exact moment they need them. So instead of explaining the same thing again and again, you can give people something they can actually use on their own. If you want to try Tango, I'll leave a link below. You can get started for free and create your first few guides. And if you need features like voice dictation or the desktop app, those are available on the paid plan. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos on AI tools, automation, and systems that can help you run your business smarter. And if you want to check out the CRM and lead generation tool I showed in this video, you can check out those 2 tutorials right here. I'll see you in there.